Hey there, NFT enthusiasts! Are you ready to protect your valuable digital assets and avoid falling prey to NFT scams? With the surge in popularity of non-fungible tokens, it's key to be aware of the potential pitfalls and avoid being scammed. In this video, we will take a closer look at 4 of the most common NFT scams that you need to watch out for. So buckle up and get ready to take some notes. Number 1. NFT gifts. Fake giveaways or NFT scam promotions are prevalent in the online world today. Such scams often present themselves as an opportunity for you to win a free NFT by participating in a giveaway event. The only requirement to enter the giveaway is to send a nominal amount of cryptocurrency to the organizers. Unfortunately, there is no NFT to be won, and once you've sent the cryptocurrency, there's no way to recover it. This kind of scam isn't too hard to spot and avoid, as long as you remember that a real giveaway shouldn't cost you anything to enter. In most cases, these fake giveaways use social media platforms, such as Twitter or Instagram, to reach a larger audience and attract more victims. They also create fake profiles, use misleading information, and present fake testimonials from previous winners to make the giveaway seem legitimate. However, these giveaways are nothing but a ploy to trick people into sending their hard-earned cryptocurrency with no chance of getting anything in return. It's important to be vigilant and to carry out due diligence before participating in any NFT giveaway event. Look for authentic sources of information, check the credibility of the organizers, and do not send your cryptocurrency to unknown or untrusted addresses. Always be wary of any giveaway that asks you to pay an entry fee, no matter how small it may be. Number 2. Inflating the value of the NFT. Artificial value creation can be a common problem in the world of non-fungible tokens, NFTs. In this scenario, someone can manipulate the market by minting an NFT and artificially inflating its value. The process of artificially creating value is simple. For example, an artist creates an NFT that has not received any bids. They then create a new account, bid $5,000 on that NFT, and purchase it. This is where the manipulation starts. The artist then shares on social media that their NFT has sold for $5,000, but they do not reveal that they were the ones who purchased the NFT themselves. This false information can attract potential buyers and create a false sense of demand for the NFT. A few days later, the artist relists the same NFT for $6,000, which can sell at that price or even higher because people believe that the NFT has been previously purchased for $5,000. However, the NFT has no real intrinsic value because there is no genuine demand for it. This is an example of how artificial value creation can take place in the NFT market and trick potential buyers into paying for something that has no real worth. This type of manipulation is harmful to the NFT market as it undermines the credibility of NFTs as a valuable asset class. It also creates confusion and distrust among potential buyers, who may feel that they have been misled or scammed. Moreover, artificially inflating the value of an NFT can have a ripple effect on the market, as others may follow suit and create similar NFTs with false high values. This can result in a market flooded with NFTs of questionable value, making it difficult for genuine NFTs and their creators to be recognized and valued. It's crucial for buyers to be vigilant and conduct their own research before making any purchases. This means figuring out if the NFTs being sold are real and how much they are worth. It also means checking the reputation and credibility of the creators and sellers. Number 3. Artificial money raising, rug pull. A rug pull is a form of NFT scam that involves a creator or a group of creators who solicit investments for a project, often with the promise of impressive returns or with the illusion of having official backing. As people start to invest their money, the creator suddenly vanishes without a trace, and the funds are transferred to unknown wallets, making it difficult to trace. This leaves investors with no way to recover their money and nothing to show for it. The term rug pull refers to the sudden and unexpected disappearance of the creator and the funds, as if the rug was pulled out from under the investors. Unfortunately, even experienced investors can fall victim to a rug pull, as it can be challenging to determine the intention of the creator. It is a common NFT scam that highlights the need for caution and due diligence when investing in NFT projects. Number 4. Phishing. Phishing scams have been a persistent problem since the early days of the internet, and they have become increasingly prevalent with the rise of non-fungible tokens, NFTs. The modus operandi of these scams is simple. The scammers create a replica of a legitimate website or project, tricking unsuspecting users into providing personal information and financial details. Once the user is hooked, the scammers steal their money, leaving the user with nothing in return. As a potential NFT buyer, it is essential to be vigilant and take precautions to avoid falling prey to these scams. Before making a purchase, it is advisable to verify the legitimacy of the website or page. Conduct a thorough online search to ensure that the URLs match and that the website is the authentic one. Avoid logging into your account via an email, as this could lead you to a bogus website. Instead, access the company's official website directly and sign in from there. This simple step can go a long way toward protecting your personal information and financial details from being stolen. So there you have it, 4 of the most common NFT scams that you should be aware of. Remember, knowledge is power, and by staying informed and taking the right precautions, you can protect your valuable NFTs and your hard-earned money. Don't forget to share this video with your fellow NFT enthusiasts and help spread the word about these scams. Stay safe and keep collecting those rare and unique NFTs.